Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. Today in math, we are going to be working with standard algorithm with 3 to 4 digits in our top number. So what if we add another digit to our top factor? Think about what that's going to do to our product or our final end number. Think about also what that's going to do to our partial products. Are they going to look a little different? What do you think will happen to the amount of digits they have in each number? So let's go ahead and try one out together. So we're going to try 4,842 times 32. Okay? So while I'm doing this here, I want you guys to be writing this, on your desk or in your journal, because on the next slide, you're going to go ahead and show me what you wrote down. So 4,842 times 32. Make sure it's neat wherever you're writing it so that you can copy it perfectly over on the next slide. So we have 2 times 2, which gives us 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8. 2 times 8, 16. You guys should know this. Your 2 should be easy. 2 times 4, which is going to be 8, plus that 1 gives us 9. So this one was a pretty easy number. Now we need to always remember that magic 0 before we move on to multiplying our digit in the tens place on our bottom number. So now 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to cross this one out because I don't need it anymore. 3 times 8, well, if you don't know that one off the top of your head, think about counting by threes, or you can add 8 3 times. So I'm going to count by threes. I'm going to count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Then I'm going to add that 1 up top, which is going to make that 25. And now, last but not least, I have 3 times 4, which gives me 12, plus 2, which gives me 14. So, after you have your 2 partial products, you're going to go ahead and add them all up. I'm going to do that over on the side, up in the right-hand corner, because I don't have any more room underneath. But we have 4 plus 0 is going to give me 4. 8 plus 6 is going to give me 14. Then I'm going to I'm going to regroup my 1 up at the top. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Regroup that 1 above the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And finally, 1 plus nothing is 1. So I'm going to count 3 digits in. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put in my comma. So this is a really big number. This number is 154,944. That is how you would say that number, friends. Okay, so on the next slide, I'm going to have this exact same slide there, but without my writing. And I want you to go ahead and solve the problem. So you just did it on your desk with me. Now I want you to do the same problem on your own, and you should get 154,944 as your answer.